This is a MacBook Pro a1502. Old is gold model. We connect DC power supply and we on DC power supply. This MacBook is unable to power on. We powered on. After power switch, unable to power on, and there is no amber light. Light also not coming in charger. This is 0.039 amp, and this is a short dead laptop. Let's open and repair this laptop with the help of donor board. This is the same 1502 motherboard. We're replacing the charging IC. See, this is a charging IC. We replace this charging IC ISL 958, and we now assemble the board. We connect DC power supply. We remove the battery. Now light is coming and ampere is taken. Okay, display sound is also coming. And this case study of MacBook Pro a1502, old model but rough and tough model, and very popular.